Dorney Park in Balboa Kingdom's new for 2024 roller coaster Iron Menace recently had all the track on site, but due to weather difficulties, they couldn't build as much as they wanted to. And just today, a couple hours ago, they finished their tilted loop, which is in version number 3 out of 4 on this brand new B&M dive coaster. As you can see here, Lehigh News Network posted this video of the construction workers finishing off the tilted loop. That's a wrap on today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love roller coaster content. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I will see you in another video.